So here's how to integrate Convertkit with hustlepro. You can easily integrate Convertkit with hustlepro in just a few easy steps. To do so, just follow the process I'm about to show you. First of all, you need to open up your web browser and go to your WordPress dashboard. And as you can see, I'm already logged in. Then, you need to go over to your plugins on the left panel right here. After that, just click on it. Then, you need to make sure that Add New Plugin is selected below Plugins. Once it's done, you need to click on the search bar right here. After that, all you need to do is type in Hustle and make a search. Now, you will get to see Hustle as the first option. Just click on it, and then click on Install and Activate on the right side. Now, just wait for it to get installed. As you can see, your plugin is now being installed on your WordPress. And once it's done, all you need to do is click on Back to Plugins on the top left. Then, if you scroll down on the left panel, you will get to see Hustle right here. And that is exactly how you can integrate Convertkit with hustlepro. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.